Hi everybody, this is Joanna, and today I'm going to show you how I do sketching with fountain pens. So this is a scene that I did in watercolor, so I'll go ahead and show you how I did that. Now, what I have here, it's got a nice clip. This one actually screws off. Now, these pens come with converters, so you save a lot of money that way. It comes with a converter, and you can use bottled ink. And then on the nibs, you can get usually medium, fine, and extra fine. This particular one is a fine. You can post it if you like to draw with it, or you can do it without. For this example, I'll go ahead and post it. Now, the ink that I'm using with this is water-resistant ink, and the one that I'm using, I'm sure this is pronounced wrong, is Atramentis. This is Document Ink Black. Now, there are a couple of inks out there that are water resistant that you can use with watercolor. I did try them, but because it's very humid where I live, this particular one seems to work the best. And I'm going to go ahead and do the drawing in this ink, and then I'm going to do watercolor over it. So you can see that it does not, the watercolor won't smear. And then I'm going to just do some water here, some sky. Okay. And I'm going to use my Pentel water brush to go ahead and do watercolor over this. Now, today I'm going to be using Winsor and Newman Cotman watercolors. This is a little set, little 12 set. So we'll go ahead and use that. And what's nice is it's got the little tray up above, so you can do your mixing with this. The brown. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to do it on top of the line so you can see that it's not smearing at all. Okay. And we'll do it a little darker. And then you can just wipe it off, and then we'll get some pretty, we'll get some green up in there for the trees. Okay, and as you can see, it's not smearing at all, the ink. Now this makes it nice. I have several other brands of the fine fountain pens that I like to draw with, and I use this ink so I can do watercolor over it. You can just do ink drawings, which is fine, or if you want to do watercolor over your ink drawings, this is the perfect ink. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do some water and some sky, and I'll show you how that looks. Okay, so this is going to be over. Okay, and we'll do some sky. Okay, so there is watercolor over the ink